Clint, what are we doing?
We're going to get wheels and to look at cars. We go get wheels off of cars.
What wheels are you getting a car off? Or what car are you getting wheels off of?
1958 Ford Edsel.
That's right. And we're going to go look at my new car, which,
What?
I guess we'll just see when we get there.
Oops, I pressed down next. It's the camera.
So this is the Ford Edsel that my brother is getting. We're going to try to get the wheels off of it so we can get some tires on it. And this is the car that actually made me find my car, because I was over here looking at it. And then I seen a back window that looked pretty familiar over here. My suspicions were correct. '92 Fox body Mustang. Pretty clean car for sitting out in the field. I believe last time I was here I locked the door back. I did. The interior of this car is super clean. It is a 4-cylinder car. That won't be saying. A little bit of TLC and some primer, and this thing will be race ready. Tires even still have air.
You know what? I'll do that.
Another Fox body Mustang that I know is around here. I just don't remember where. So the guy we're buying these cars off of, this was all his dad's stuff. And he has passed. So now it's just kind of see what you want. Everything's for sale. Oh, that is muddy. Rancheros. Need a Mustang? at that last time we were here. Pretty cool car, but man, is it? It's pretty rusty. It's missing a lot. Some of the stuff you can find out here though is in pretty good shape. We actually originally came to buy a Wagoneer that is over there, and we're going to use it for parts for our Wagoneer. But when we showed up and looked at it, we came to the fast realization that it was way too far gone and destroyed to do anything with. Bronco. I don't see a lot of Aries anymore. I think that Mustang might be gone. That other Fox buddy. I think it was right here. I do believe so.
Where's your brother?
Yeah, where'd you leave your brother?
Leland.
What'd you do with him?
He's over there with Sarah.
You just left him with some stranger?
I hear him.
You make sure there's gonna be enough room to check up and back.
Well, that tire's got air in it. So as long as I get these two under it, I can get.
Yeah.
Maybe I should keep it for my little sister. She loves dogs.
Hey, there's a piece of rust I didn't see before.
Hi, dog. You know I only have 3 dogs. Actually 4.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Man, that thing.
That scare you, Leland? Yeah, that looks like it's ready to drive.
Remember the penny.
How to make motor noises. Oh, it's got 2 hubcaps.
Probably.
I got a hubcap on it.
Yeah.
To let you know, be very
Got 2
careful.
hubcaps.
What a deal.
Wait, is that your
Back your money.
fucking 30 years ahead of its time. Rats chewed the fucking.
Yeah, I think they huddled up for the big freeze. Because I don't remember there being that much rat poop in there last time.
Nope. Good news is it doesn't look like they got to the part of the car, maybe.
I'm lawnmower again. Thank you.
Rats love wires. Dude, we've been here like 15 minutes.
What?
We've been here like 15 minutes.
Yeah, that's fresh rat poop. Yeah, they ain't shooting my wiring harness up, just the
That's good.
plug wires.
Plug wires are easily replaceable.
Yeah.
I'm interested to see it without all the shit inside of it.
Me too. I'm probably gonna have to put it on 2 cinder blocks, but my object is to get it up. Because I'd like to put the A-arms on cinder blocks.
Well,
But
I mean, you've already got the cinder blocks positioned, so
I think I'm gonna grab my impact.
yeah, I was like, get the wheels
Get
off,
the
and then you
wheels
can put
off.
cinder blocks under it and let it back down. He said he had to keep his Mustang too.
Yeah, you have to keep yours.
Yeah, I think he had it in his pocket.
Ah, what the fucking odds.
I don't know, about one whatever, how many sockets you brought.
Well, whole damn bag full. I just meant that it happened to be the one that I had stuck on it.
Well, right. It's always a gamble.
Well, 13/16 was on a Jeep, so.
Dude, there's a trailer right here to bang it on. You ain't gotta bang it on your fender. Ross must have spied something he liked. I think Ross spied something he liked.
What do you want to bet these hubbers he said?
Well, yeah. You gotta see the interior of this car. It is clean.
Oh, wow.
Not a rat turd to be seen.
No, this car's clean, man. I got it for steel too.
What'd you pay for it?
$300. Even the seat is comfy, and it comes with a Christmas tree. Yeah. I believe he said all the stuff inside was mine. Thank God. I'm really amped up to see what's on this tape.
Mixtape.
Yeah, it is.
My tape.
My tape. And on the in here too, it had where it was bought. Rusty Act Ford. Wichita. Yeah, I mean, fuck. It's got to be one of the cleanest cars here. I don't remember where the shit the hood latch is though. There now. I think I might be retarded.
I already know that, bud.
Can't get the hood open. That's some fresh rat poop.
Don't tell me this fucking rear end is falling.
Can't find the ground.
That's probably cute. That's probably no drama.
This is really the only rat's nest here.
Drop you an LS in here.
Probably gonna big block it.
Big block it. What kind of big block?
Probably Chevy because it's more affordable. I wouldn't mind putting Ford in it if I found one for the right price. Just because I've never really messed with any Ford stuff. It'd be different. I've also never messed with a Chevy big block, so you know.
Like a 454.
Just depends what I find. The most common is 454, so that's probably what it'll end up being.
I had a 454 and a 1954 Chevy pickup.
There's a fucking, oh my god, it was right here the whole time. It was just
Hey, I
chilling.
found the
It was
ground.
just chilling out right there. You wanna go grab that battery, see if it'll crank?
Where's it at?
Clint, that battery's in your pickup, isn't it? Ross, you want to do the honors? I doubt it's going to start, but we can see if it cranks. That gas is going to be nasty.
If it doesn't start, I'm gonna be disappointed. My expectations are high.
Ooh.
Right, but there should be another one on the motor that's actually nothing but a sensor. And what it is it's a vacuum sensor that when the motor gets down to where it registers the add mark on this particular stick, it triggers a light.
Is it even clicking?
It's clicking.
I think your starter might be. Actually, the battery's dead.
You think the battery's dead?
Yeah.
That came out of Clint's CJ.
That battery is brand fucking new.
It's like below. It's like a quarter. So it's at like 9 volts.
I just wanted to see if it would crank.
Hey, honestly, we figured it was ate up by rats, but hey, you got a battery, why not try?
Could just be like a bad ground cable or something.
Yeah,
Giving it a little.
most likely. Well, and you know, I just set the terminals on there.
Yeah.
The ground's a little tight. Yeah, I heard relays clicking and stuff.
Seemed like it was trying to do something. The shit on the dash was going up and down.
I heard it dinging. All right, so here it is. We just got the cars home. It was a full day of getting them out and on the trailer. The Mustang was pretty easy. My brother's 2 Etzels were a whole other story. That took up pretty much all day. Here is the Mustang. It's got my dirty handprints all over it, but other than that, it's a pretty straight and clean car. All 4 tires still had air in it. The interior is in pretty good shape. Guy was nice enough to let me keep all the crap inside of it, so that's good. Christmas tree, little cot. I don't know what's all in that box. But I think the plan is gonna be getting the stuff out of the inside for now, maybe cleaning it up, give the outside a good wash. You can see some of the green. This thing was back in some trees. Man, I'm excited. I've always wanted a Fox body, even when I was in high school. And you know how that shit goes. You're born in the 80s, grew up in the 90s and 2000s. You eventually wanted a Fox body. Finally got one of my own. This is the fuel pump that came with the car. Rusted, nasty. I can't believe it wouldn't start with this. Here's a new one, a little brake clean and some scrubbing, a new quantum fuel pump, and it's ready to fire up. All right, here we go. I didn't get any of it on video because I've been, doing all this by myself, and it's just been windy and the weather's not been great. But I just replaced the fuel pump on the car. Let's give it a shot. There's not much gas in it. Had about 2 gallons of gas in the gas can. That's a win. Well, so there it is, everybody. As you can tell by the last video, drove the car around a little bit. I put 2 quarts of ATF into it. It won't go into reverse. It went in a drive. Just after the video ended, the car died, almost out on the road. Thankfully, it died back in the drive. I'm probably, that video was just yesterday. I'm probably going to go pick up some spark plugs today, maybe tomorrow. The weather's pretty bad outside right now. It's cold. And that's probably about as far as I'm going to take the 4-cylinder. Or as much money as that I want to put into the 4-cylinder. Just enough to have some fun with it, fart around with it a little bit, and then take the 4-cylinder out and the transmission out and start getting it ready to put a big block in it and go drag racing. Plan is really with this car, just keep it simple. I'm going to put a big block in it, depending on the condition of the motor I get. Probably rebuild it just a little bit. Nothing really fancy. Probably put like a cam and stuff in it. And then just let it run when it runs and go out and hopefully race it every bracket race they have in Sportsman. Because the Corvette's too fast for Sportsman. So I'd like to have this car in Sportsman, and I'd like to have, you know, just something easy to work on. Something I don't have to work on a lot. The Corvette's just going to keep getting faster and faster and faster, and I want this car to be able to take out to the drag strip every weekend and race it for years and years and years and not have to do a bunch of stuff to it. So, hopefully we get there pretty quick. It'll probably take some time. Got to gather some money, got to gather some parts, and then put it all together. Little update on my brother's Edsels. Hasn't got them running yet, or it running yet. We're only trying to get he's only trying to get the one running. The other one's just a parts car. I think it's pretty close. The car was in good shape. The motor looked like somebody had taken care of it, or tried to take care of it recently. So that'd be pretty cool once he gets that going. Alright, so that's the end of this video. I'd like to thank everybody for sticking around and watching till the end. I genuinely appreciate everybody watching. I'm not trying to do this for money or anything. I'm just doing it for fun. I was, already doing this before I started recording videos, and it just seemed like a thing to do. So, until next time, we'll see you later.